My gym bag smells absolutely terrible. I don't know if it's the clothes or what's up with it, but it stinks.
Yeah, with the new year, we're both trying to hit the gym more often. And with hitting the gym more often, our gym bags are just getting really stinky. So we have a recipe for you to help clean up any stinky gym bag, or if you're not ready, you want to wear a shirt again before you're ready to wash it, or if it's clean, just needs a little freshening up. We have a refresh spray for you. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
And we are aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love using essential oils and teaching people like you how to make your homes toxin-free.
All right, so we're gonna go through this recipe now.
Now. To make this spray, you'll need 2 tablespoons of distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can use regular water, but that will go bad faster because water molds.
And distilled water does not.
Not as quickly.
Gotcha.
So it'll last longer. But if you expect to use it really quick, go ahead and use regular water.
Okay, good to know.
And we're also going to be using witch hazel, which is optional. If you don't have that on hand, you can just add more water. Witch hazel will partially mix the essential oil in with the water. It won't totally, but it'll help it a little bit. And that will help the aroma last longer.
And evenly distribute it too?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll still want to shake it before you spray it, but it will mix it a little bit.
All right.
So to start, let's add the essential oils to the witch hazel.
Okay.
Yes. And then we'll mix it, and then we'll add the water.
8 of the lemons.
8 of the lemons. You also need lemon essential oil and whole wheat essential oil. These are very fresh smelling essential oils.
Ta-da!
And we can swirl it up.
Okay.
And we'll mix just a little bit, and then we can go ahead and add these to the spray bottle.
All right.
Is that what they say at your gym?
They do say that.
If you go to the Planet place.
Oh. Well, that happens if you don't hold the cap on.
So shake it and spray it. Let's spray my shoe. All right, so let's get a before sniff. Okay, not bad.
Because they're new.
Yeah, they're new. And now they're amazing.
Now they smell really good, yeah.
They do smell good. So to de-stink your shoes, your gym clothes, or refresh some clothes, make this refresh spray. And for more cool recipes like this,
go to simplyearth.com and check out our blog and subscribe to our recipe box.
Yeah, make sure you check out our recipe box because our subscribers this month are getting everything they need for this recipe.
See you later.